Look at your plate. I bet you can get it.
And chocolate.
That sounds yummy. Do you know what that's called?
Yeah.
When I was little, we called that a s'more.
It's more.
So how do you do that?
And we put some marshmallow.
So that's the marshmallow? And what are you going to do with the marshmallow? Can you tell us what you're doing?
I put some marshmallows.
Good. You're spreading. And what are you doing next?
And
You put the chocolate on, and then the cracker, and then you eat it. Ooh, crunch. And Aleah, can you tell us about this snack? Why did you choose to make this snack? What did you tell us about it? It's your...
favorite.
What did you say? It is your favorite. Is it 1 thumbs up? Or is it 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Good job, Miss Aleah. Let's give Chef Aleah a big round of applause. That looks like a yummy